Today we're going to cover the setup process of connecting your device to your Wi-Fi hotspot on your BMW. The Wi-Fi hotspot is provided by AT&T, so once your 3 months or 3 gigabytes worth of data that is covered initially expires, AT&T will reach out to you via email in order to choose a subscription that works best for you. The main point in having the Wi-Fi hotspot is being able to use other devices that require a Wi-Fi connection for use, like a laptop or a tablet. I see a lot of moms liking to use it in order for the kids to use iPads. A lot of realtors like to use it for the on-the-go lifestyle. But in order to initiate the setup, there's a couple steps we have to do in the car and then pairing it through your email on your phone. So that is what we will cover today. From your BMW screen, go to Communication, Mobile Devices. On the right side of the screen, click into Settings and make sure the internet connection is on. Once it's on, click into Wi-Fi password. What's displayed right there is not the complete password, so click into it. And then feel free to change this to whatever you want your password to be, as long as it's in parameters of 8 characters minimum and 30 characters maximum, it will accept. I like to use a very generic password, something that's going to be easy to remember for me, because you're going to need to use this password on any device that you're going to connect to it. So once you've chosen, just click OK. And that is your new Wi-Fi. Now on your smartphone, you're going to click into Settings, then Wi-Fi. Choose the correlating BMW and insert the password that we created in the car. Once it accepts, it's going to send you over to AT&T's website. It kind of takes a couple seconds to load, but once it does, it will prompt you to choose BMW or Rolls-Royce as your auto manufacturer. Go ahead and select BMW. From this point, that's an MSISDN number that you're going to need, so take note of it in case you need to insert it later. From here, click Get Started. These steps are just filling out general information. I believe if you already have an AT&T account, you can go ahead and just use your other account, but I don't, so we will fill it out. And again, I'm doing this from inside of the car, so it makes it easier linking everything directly to that BMW rather than having to figure out what your codes are from in the car. If you're in the car, it self-populates for you. And once this is set up, you're going to confirm the address, accept, and activate your plan. Once this is done and the service is activated, you're all good to go.